Company Safety Management System. Relevance during blind pilotage. Blind pilotage refers to navigating a vessel without a visual reference, relying only on instruments and other aids due to poor visibility conditions such as fog, heavy rain, or nighttime. The company safety management system is crucial during this time, as it provides a comprehensive framework of procedures and guidelines that ensures safe navigation and compliance with regulatory standards. Key elements of company SMS and their use during blind pilotage. Standard Operating Procedures or SOPs. Navigation Procedures. The SMS details specific navigation procedure using radar, automatic radar plotting aids or ARPA, electronic chart display and information system or ECDIS, and other navigational aids. These procedures help the bridge team maintain situational awareness and make informed decisions. Bridge Team Management. The SMS outlines roles and responsibilities within the bridge team, emphasizing clear communication and teamwork. This is particularly important during blind pilotage to avoid errors and ensure all team members are aware of the vessel's position and surroundings. Risk Assessment and Management. Pre-pilotage planning. The SMS includes risk assessment protocols that the bridge team must conduct before entering areas requiring blind pilotage. This involves identifying potential hazards and implementing mitigation measures. Dynamic Risk Assessment. During blind pilotage, conditions can change rapidly. The SMS provides guidance on conducting ongoing risk assessment to adapt changing conditions and maintain safety.
So, emergency procedures, contingency plans. The SMS includes detailed contingency plans for various emergency scenarios that might arise during blind pilotage, such as an equipment failure or unexpected obstacles. These plans ensure the bridge team is prepared to respond effectively to emergencies. So next is communication protocols. The SMS specifies protocols for internal and external communication, ensuring that all relevant parties are informed promptly in case of an emergency.
Training and competency. Regular drills and training. The SMS mandates regular training and drills for the bridge team to ensure proficiency in blind pilotage procedures and the use of navigational aids. This ongoing training helps maintain high levels of competency and readiness. Familiarization. New bridge team members must be familiarized with the SMS procedures and equipment specific to their vessel, ensuring consistency in safety practices. Next is documentation and reporting. Voyage planning documentation. The SMS requires comprehensive documentation of the voyage plan, including specific details for segments requiring blind pilotage. This ensures all potential risks and planned mitigation measures are recorded. Incident reporting. Any incidents or near misses during blind pilotage must be reported according to SMS protocols. This allows for continuous improvement of procedures and enhances overall safety. Conclusion. The company SMS is an indispensable resource for the bridge team during blind pilotage, providing structured and standardized procedures, risk management strategies, and emergency response protocols. By adhering to the SMS, the bridge team can ensure safe navigation even under challenging conditions, enhancing the overall safety and efficiency of maritime operations.